Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to send voice message Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to send voice messages Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, immediately enter Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To make a voice message through Microsoft Outlook, immediately point the cursor to Send a Computer Bag. On the Home menu, tap New Email menu tap. Well, here will be the Input menu. In the To section, type the recipient of the account that we will send FI. You can also give the subject email. And you can provide descriptions to be more detailed. Now for voice messages. Tap the Insert menu here. Navigate to the right. And tap the App menu. Well, there are several plans. Tap Vocal. Tap now, it will appear on the right of the screen like this. And here automatically record the sound of on a Meli computer or your laptop. To stop recording, tap Stop Recording. Well, here will appear here. Tap Upload to Criminal. And tap Send. So that, tutorial how to add voice recorders Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.